How to fix Snapchat map. Hello guys, so in today's short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat map. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and now on this page you have to wait a few seconds, and after that what you want to do is scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find Snapchat, then all what you want to do is click on it, click on force stop, go to storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back and now click on data usage. Make sure that all these four options are enabled, and then go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 3 seconds, and then disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.